most traders look at just one chart, maybe one pair that they're trading. But the best traders ask, why is this pair, indice, commodity, whatever, why is it moving? And that's where intermarket analysis is so key. And it's one of the biggest advantages of traders who use an audio squawk. Now, let's say you're trading the Aussie dollar and out of nowhere, it drops 30 pips. There's no obvious headline, no data, no tweet, and you're wondering, what's going on, right? And then you have your audio squawk on in the background and you hear iron ore futures hit a 3-week low, dragging the Aussie dollar or dragging the Aussie lower. And that one line explains everything you need to know. You just connected the cause and effect in real time. And that is the part that most traders miss. The Aussie dollar moves often with China sentiment, with iron ore. The Canadian dollar will often track oil. The Mexican peso can move off yield spreads, right? And a good squawk is like having that translator, if you will, running in the background all day, constantly explaining, okay, this is how commodities, this is how equities, this is how bonds are pushing FX around. Now, here's where it becomes really powerful. Once you understand what's really driving the move, you can anticipate those reversals before it happens. For example, the squawk might say, iron ore prices are stabilizing, right? This is your early warning sign that the Aussie could start turning higher, right? The same thing with crude and CAD, or maybe with different types of cross pairs. And this is what separates oftentimes reactive traders from predictive ones. Intermarket awareness is kind of like a leading indicator in a way, not a lagging one. And that's why it's great. You keep the squawk running throughout the session. You don't want to know what moved past tense. You want to know why it is moving, and then be able to project that forward for your trades. And that's how you can help build that confidence. So, guys, very powerful tool. If you're interested in giving it a try for a few days, we've got a 7-day trial. It's just $29. You try out all of our tools, see what's right for you. Go to financialsource.co. And when you take a trial, let me know how'd it go.